Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Sudeep Kamari in a Computer Science faculty. So today we are learn about defining grammar. So introduction part of grammar. A grammar G can be formally written as a four tuples, non-terminal symbols, N, T is a terminal symbol, and S is a start production set symbol, and P is a production rules, where N or V of N is a set of variables or non-terminal symbols. T or sigma is a set of terminal symbols, and S is a special variable called the symbols of a start with S belongs to N means non-terminal symbols. P is a production rules for terminal symbols and non-terminal symbols. A production rule has the from alpha derives beta, where alpha and beta are strings on V of N. Union of sigma means non-terminal union of terminal symbols. So in that case, at least one symbol is presented. Otherwise, combination of set is non-terminal symbol and terminal symbol. Otherwise, terminal symbol, non-terminal symbols. Otherwise, non-terminal symbols derives terminal symbol. In string of alpha belongs to non-terminal all symbols. So in that example, we are discuss about how to define grammar. So here grammar G1 is a set of first non-terminal symbols S, A and B. All non-terminal symbols defined in capital letters. And second one set of A and B is a terminal symbols. All terminal symbols defines small letters, otherwise numerical formation. And S is a start symbol of production. And last one S derives AB means start symbols to define AB is a non-terminal symbol. Second production rule is A derives A small a. So non-terminal symbols defines terminal symbol, and last one is a similar B derives small b. So here three production rules. Here S, A and B is a non-terminal symbols. A and B is a terminal symbol, and S is a start symbol. S belongs to N means all of starts non-terminal symbols belongs to set of non-terminal symbols. And last one is a production rule. Three productions rule here present. So start state is a P production rule. Define S derives AB, two non-terminal symbols. A derives A is a non-terminal derives to terminal symbol, and last one is similarly B is a non-terminal symbol derives to small b terminal symbols. In the next example, we are discuss about similarly part of defining here grammar 2. So consider example 2 is a grammar G2 is equal to, here will be presented non-terminal symbol is S and A is a set of, and then the written A and B is a terminal symbol, and three production rules. So start with S and defines combination of sets. So like first in production rule, so S derives small a, capital A and B. So small a is a terminal symbol attached with non-terminal symbol, and small b is a terminal symbol. So next is A, capital A. So is a terminal symbol attached with non-terminal symbol start set with the derives. So A is a terminal symbols and attached with A, capital A is a non-terminal symbols, defines two terminal symbols of small a, and capital A is a non-terminal symbols with left side attached with terminal symbol is B. And last production set is, otherwise production rule is A derives epsilon. Epsilon means null value. So here S and A is a non-terminal symbol, small a and b is a terminal symbol, and epsilon is a empty string. So S is a start symbol. Start produced with S belongs to N means non-terminal symbols. So production is 3 production. So here already explained here. In the next point we are discuss about the derivations from a grammar. So in this point string may be derived from other string using the production in a grammar. Otherwise defining some string to using productions, how to generate strings in video we are learn. So if a grammar G has a productions of alpha derives beta, we can say that x of alpha of y derives x of beta of y in a grammar. So alpha and beta is a string formation. So the derivation is written as x alpha of y derives g of grammar of x beta of y. So in this example, let's consider the grammar for general grammar G2 is equal to S and A is a non-terminal symbol, A and B is a terminal symbol, S is a start production rule, and 3 production rules here defined. So sum of strings that can be derived here. So start production rule is S derives terminal and non-terminal symbol combination. So start production is S derives small a terminal symbol, non-terminal capital A, and attach with a right side terminal symbol B. Right side A terminal symbol with the non-terminal symbol, left side terminal symbols of small a and attach with the capital A of a non-terminal symbols with right side small bb is a terminal symbols with using that production rules. So next we are replaced in same rule to apply, replaced by a of capital A non-terminal symbol. So here will be replaced by, so adding right side and left side a another to both sides to attach a and b is a terminal symbols. So here triple A of a terminal symbol, capital A is a non-terminal symbols, and right side with three terminal symbols of small b. So left side and right side will be increment as a terminal symbols of A and B. So here in that part, so capital A is a non-terminal symbols. To reduce that non-terminal symbols using production rules, third is A derives epsilon. So here apply that production rule. So here apply, then the A capital A is a non-terminal symbols replaced by epsilon means null string. So left side 3A is a terminal symbols attached with right side B with the reduce here non-terminal symbols, and string will be produced triple A and triple B. So final string accepted by triple A triple B is derived from this grammar. In the next example, we are explain here second example of a derivation from a grammar. So let's consider here another one grammar is G2 is equal to S, A and B is a non-terminal symbol, A and B is a terminal symbols, and S is a start production rule, and 3 production rules here define. S derives non-terminal and terminal combination of S derives A and B. So second production rules is a non-terminal symbol A derives A, and last one is a B derives B. So using that production rules we are generate here string. So some of strings that can be derived here. So using that first start production rule, so S derives A B. So using that production rules used here, simple 2 productions rules here declared here. So replaced by A with small a terminal symbol, and B will be same produce. So here using that production rule S derives A B. So using that production rule we are produce here A B is a string formation. So using that productions set, So language of G2 is equal to string of A and B. So language is accepted by this grammar. So in next example, similarly part of accepting strings using production rules, let's consider grammar G3 is equal to non-terminal symbols S, A and B, and terminal symbols is A and B. Start state production set is S, and three production rules will be declared. So in that production rules, we are carefully read about three production rules. Is second one is A derives A of A is a first rule, and another slash oblique otherwise or A derives A is a replaced by in that production rule to define rules here. So first is A derives A of A, and second one is A derives A is a terminal symbol. We are same declared in second part B. So B derives B of B non-terminal symbol, and small b is a terminal symbols. So here already 5 production rules here mentioned in that set. So some of strings that can be derived are here S is a produced by AB, and we can replace A by small a terminal symbol and B by small b terminal symbol. So first we are used here start production rules is S derives A of B. So using second and third production rules will be here apply. A derives small a terminal symbol and B derives small b. So A and B replaced by terminal symbols. So production set using that string accepted AB. Then another production rule will be applied in a same start production rule. So S derives AB is equal to, so here using that production rules, first is A derives terminal symbol A of a non-terminal capital A letter, and another rules is B of left side B terminal symbol attached with B is a non-terminal symbol. So using that set we are produce here using replace by A and B to apply that production rules, and we are get new production set will be here A of a B terminal symbol of B non-terminal symbol capital letter. So this is a new production set here. So using that production rules A and B with using same similarly type A replaced by small a terminal symbol and B replaced by small b terminal symbol, using that productions apply here. So S is equal to double B string accepted by these production rules. So first accepted string is a B, second is double B. So here carefully watch that example. So right side and left side A and B is incremented by 1. So next we are used to another production set here apply. So S is equal to start production rule will be same type. So A and B. So A replaced by A of A production rules first, and second B replaced by directly small b terminal symbols. So we are new type of production. A is a terminal symbol attached with capital A is a non-terminal symbols, and B is a non-terminal symbols. So replaced by B. So A replaced by A terminal symbol. So new string will be here present, otherwise accepted by using that production rules. So A B. So only right side A will be incremented and B as a same position. Okay. So here will be 3 productions, otherwise 5 productions rules apply on the start production rule and accept that string AB, double B and double A B. So using that production rules again and again we will generated here new strings, otherwise new strings part. So here accepted multiple types of strings to get generate here language of G3 is equal to, so set of accepted string is AB comma double B means what? A square B square. Otherwise double A B means what? A square B. Otherwise B will be repetition part. Otherwise A will be 3 times used means A cube B cube. L G3 of language of G3 is equal to A raised to M means what? A raised to M means A is a attached with A. So incremented with A in 1. So is a not a null string, otherwise not a epsilon here included, because of A is a present in that language. And second one is a B raised to N means at least one B present in that language, and so on B. So M greater than or equal to 1 and N is a greater than or equal to 1. Here using that production rules to accept many types of strings and developing here language for using that production rules. So in the next point to explain here construction of a grammar generating a language examples. We will consider some language and convert it into a grammar G which produce the languages. So problem here, suppose L of language of G is A raised to M and B raised to N. So M greater than or equal to 0 and N is a greater than 0. So we have find out that grammar G which produce language of G. So here solution part, since language will be defined L of G is equal to A raised to M means M is greater than or equal to 0 means greater than or equal to 0. So 0 will be present here means what? A is a null string. So null is a epsilon here declare. So epsilon will be here present, otherwise a null string. Okay. So only B at present because N is greater than 0 means not B is a null set values produce. Okay. So B is a at present state in a set. So next is a raised to 1 B raised to 1 is a AB is presented, otherwise A raised to 0 will be applicable and B raised to 2 means double B will be presented, otherwise A raised to 2 B only 1, so double B, otherwise double A B B is a produced by using that language of grammar to set of accepted strings. So here the start symbols has to take at least B prepared by any number of A including nulls. Okay. So to accept that string set here will be declared same part of string can accepted by using productions rules to check out. So A B B double A B A B B we are already created here and I already check out that using that language of grammar so created. So we have taken the productions of S start state derives terminal symbol of A with using S is a non-terminal symbols, otherwise S derives B, so terminal symbols production rule, and B derives small b, and last one is B derives B of B, capital B is a non-terminal symbol attached with left side small b. Here first production rule start production rule will be applicable here. So S derives B. So B is a non-terminal symbol. So replaced by using production rules S derives B. So B is a string accepted. So here first possibility is a verify using that production rule. Second one is using that start production rules of S derives B. So using that production rules we are using last production rule B of B. So B replaced by B of B. So and another B non-terminal symbol replaced by small b. So double B will be accepted string. Then next time I will use here next production rule S derives A of S is a first production rule we are declared in first set. So using that production rules S replaced by A of B. So here will be apply last production set of rules. So replaced by S with B. So A of B is a new production rule, and B replaced by small b terminal symbols. So AB is a accepted string using that production rule. So next part of strings S with the same start production rules apply here. A of S apply S defines same production rule apply replaced by A of S. So S replaced by AS. So attach with the left side A already we are declared here. So double AS derives is a new production rule here apply. So S replaced by B is a production rule apply here. So replaced by S with non-terminal symbol B. So double AB is a new production set here produce and derives. Next rule I apply here production rules is B replaced by terminal symbol of B. So double AB is an accepted string using that production rule. And last one acceptation check here. So S derives A of S is a start production rule will be applied here. So replace by S with using non-terminal symbol B. So A of B is a new production set here created, and then B replaced by B of B is a last production set here apply. So A B is a terminal symbol attached with non-terminal symbol of B. So B replaced by terminal symbol B. So here new product using that production rules a string will be produced A double B, and this string will be accepted by using that production rules. So how to check that production rules using accept that strings here check out. So thus we can prove every single strings in a language of grammar as accepted by a language generated by produce otherwise productions set. So hence the grammar G of grammar is a SAB is a non-terminal symbol, AB is a terminal symbol, and S is a productions rules start production rule, and S derives three rules here created. So accepted with using that productions rules all strings. So S derives A of S oblique B, otherwise B replaced by B oblique B of B. We are learn about another example of constructing grammar generating language. Problem will be declared. Suppose a language L of G is equal to A raised to M B raised to N. N is greater than 0 or N is greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise we have find out of the grammar G which produce language of G. So in a solution part we have written a similar part of declared here problems language. So L of G is equal to A raised to M B raised to N, M greater than 0 and N is greater than or equal to 0. The string accepted by rewritten as. So some part of using that language A raised to M B raised to N with using production string will be produced here. So language of G is a set of strings here created. A raised to M means what? Condition here declared M greater than 0 means what? A is a at a time present in string formations. Okay, already A is print with attached B, otherwise single A will be print. Okay, so A is a part of set all strings. Okay, so single A is a present, and otherwise second condition is a B raised to N. B raised to N conditions. What is the condition of B raised to N? So N is greater than or equal to 0. So at a present, otherwise null string is a 0 condition. Means what? B raised to N means B raised to 0 will be 0. So null string will be provided here in that set. So single A will be accepted, otherwise AB is a possible to accept that. Okay, so A is a accepted, otherwise double A is accepted because B raised to 0 proceed out. Okay, so A raised to M, B raised to N to provide string set is A double A, otherwise A B accepted, otherwise triple time A, otherwise double time A B accepted, otherwise single A and double time B accepted, because A raised to 1 so single A and B raised to 2 means double B. So another so on infinite types of string will be accepted here. So here this starts as take at least one A followed by any number of B including null set. Okay, so to accept that strings here generated A double A B triple A double A B A double B with using that production rules. So first production rules is S derives A of A derives A of A non-terminal symbol. So next production rules is A derives B non-terminal symbol, otherwise B derives small b terminal symbol with attached non-terminal symbol of B, and last one is B is a derives epsilon because B at a time present and some condition of A raised to n m is 1, so B raised to 0 will be present. So B raised to 0 means null string. So null string here produced by using that production rules, B derives epsilon. So here accepted first string is using that production rule. So S is a production start state of symbol. So S derives A of A is a start production rule. So A replaced by B of non-terminal symbols using that production rules apply here. So small a replaced by B non-terminal symbol attach here. So capital B is attached here. So derives. Last production rule is a B derives epsilon is accepted. So epsilon is a null string. So A of epsilon attached with. So null string here attached. So single A is accepted by using that production rule. So here cross checked about second double A is accepted string by using production rule. So here sim part of start production rule is S A of A. So A replaced by A of A. So terminal symbol with right side attachment of non-terminal symbol A replaced by non-terminal symbol A. New production set here provide double A A. Here using that same production rules here A replaced by non-terminal B. So A replaced by B. So double A of B. Using that production rules we are applied here. Last production rule is a B derives epsilon. B replaced by epsilon is a double A attached with epsilon. So double A accepted string of using production. Next one is accepted string for start state is a S A of A. So A replaced by B means what? So A of B is a new production rule, and then they apply B replaced by B of B means what? Left side terminal symbol of B attached with non-terminal symbol capital B. So new production rule will be here created A B of B. Next we used here B derives epsilon rule apply here. So A B attached with B replaced by epsilon. So A B will be accepted. Then the next start production A of A. So using A replaced by A of A. So here apply to attach A of non-terminal symbol A. So again that production rule apply here. So A will be attached with left side. So triple A of A, and A replaced by next production rule is B. So triple A of B, A replaced by non-terminal symbol of B. B using that B production rules B derives epsilon. So triple A B replaced by epsilon. So triple A accepted string using production. So next we are cross-checked about next production state of string double a b. So start production rules is a of a. So a replaced by production rule of a. So new production set here present. So double a of a. Then the a replaced by non-terminal symbol of b using that production rule. So double a of b. Then b using that b derives terminal of b and non-terminal of b with using production rules. Here new created a production set. So double a b of terminal symbols and non-terminal symbol attached with b. So b is replaced by b derives epsilon symbol. So a b attached with epsilon. So double a b is a accepted string using production. And last one is start production set using a of a with a replaced by b. A of b is a new production rule set, and then b replaced by b of b production rule. So b replaced by b of terminal symbol and attached with non-terminal symbol of b. So new production is here created, a b of capital B. So derives again same production rule here apply. So same production rule apply to new generated production set is a b b and non-terminal symbol with b. So b replaced by b derives epsilon. So a double b attached with b replaced by epsilon. Epsilon will be attached here, and string will be a double b accepted. Own created of language strings will be accepted by using that production rules. So this we can prove here every single strings of language of G is accepted by language of generated by production set. Hence the grammar G of SAB is a non-terminal symbol, AB is a terminal symbol, S is a start state, and production rules will be cross-checked, and here will be used to language of grammar accepted of all language of output strings. Thanks for watching this video. Do you like, share, comments and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos.